Stop digging for property data. Your real estate deals just got a whole lot smarter. Ever wished you could have instant access to all your property details right within your Podio CRM? Today, we're bridging that gap by integrating Propstream property links directly into your Podio workflow, making data management and client updates incredibly streamlined. The first step is simple: find the property you're interested in within Propstream. Once you've navigated to the property's dedicated details page, look up at your browser's address bar. You'll see a unique web address there. This is your Propstream link for this specific property. We need to grab this link, so go ahead and select the entire URL, then right-click and choose Copy. Or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now, let's jump over to your Podio CRM, open up the specific client or property record where you want to store this Propstream link. You'll need to have a field designated for this purpose. If you don't already have a dedicated field for property links, you can easily create one by going into your Podio app settings and adding a new text field. Be sure to label it clearly, like Propstream link, for easy identification. With your Podio record open and your text field selected, it's time to paste that Propstream link. Right-click into the field and select Paste. Or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. And that's it. The Propstream link is now saved directly within your Podio record. Anytime you or your team need to access the full details of this property on Propstream, you can simply click this link right here from within Podio, saving you time and ensuring everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Integrate for optimal efficiency and watch your real estate workflow transform. Thanks for watching.